Hi, I'm Clarice and I'm one of the licensed medical estheticians here at Suzanne Bruce & Associates. Today we're going to be performing an acne facial. This is great for anyone that has closed comedones, pustular acne, just needs their skin overall cleaned out, okay? We're going to start by cleansing. This is the Papaya Revision Cleanser. It's a salicylic acid 1%, so really great for my acne patients. Now we're going to start the step that's Microdermabrasion. This is great for removing dead skin cells and exfoliating the skin. Now we're going to steam the patient for about 5 to 7 minutes. This is really going to open the pores up and get her face ready for extractions. Now this part of the facial, we're going to start extractions. This is going to be very beneficial to get out all the blackheads or any pustular acne. Now we're at the part of the facial that is the Omnilux Blue Light Treatment. This light helps kill bacteria and also calms the skin after extractions. So after she's completed the light, we're going to apply some products. We normally are going to like to do a moisturizer, a treatment product, and then always a sunscreen to go home with. You can get this treatment done as often as every month or as needed. It's perfectly safe if you are under the care of a dermatologist and on any acne medications. This patient in particular is on Accutane, and it is perfectly fine for her to be having this procedure done. So please come see us here at the spa for all your acne concerns.